Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Are you looking to create a professional looking logo for your business or brand? Well, today I am excited to share with how you make a logo in PicsArt. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, PicsArt makes it easy to create stunning logos. To start creating logos, we need to create a new project in PicsArt. Tap on the create button and then select the logo template. Next, let's choose a shape for our logo. PicsArt has a vast library of shapes to choose from, including icons, symbols, or more. Tap on the Shapes menu and then select a shape that fits your brand style and theme. Now that we have our shape, let's customize it to fit our